Imagine a tool that feels like a household miracle, until you find out it might be secretly polluting your environment with trillions of tiny plastic particles every month. That's the reality lurking behind what many consider a cleaning staple. And here's where it gets controversial. The seemingly innocent white sponge you reach for to scrub away dirt and grime may actually be shedding countless microplastic fibers, contributing silently to environmental contamination and possibly impacting your health too. Recent studies shed light on this unsettling truth. A comprehensive investigation published in the journal Environmental Science Technology by the American Chemical Society reveals that melamine-based cleaning sponges, those popular magic white scrubbing pads, can release an astonishing number of microplastic fibers during use. This isn't just speculation. The research points to an ongoing release that could be polluting homes, waterways, and even our food systems. These sponges are composed of a type of plastic called melamine-formaldehyde, which develops a web-like structure. This web gives the sponge its abrasive quality and effective cleaning power. However, as anyone who's used one knows, the material doesn't last forever. When the sponge begins to break down from regular scrubbing against rough surfaces, tiny fibers break loose. Fibers that are so minuscule they easily slip into streams of water and eventually into the food chain. Lead researchers Yu Su and Rongji, along with their team, set out to understand just how fast and how much these fibers are released as sponges degrade. Their findings were eye-opening. Denser foam sponges tend to shed fewer fibers, but all types tested emit millions of fibers per gram when worn out. No product escaped this fate. They estimated that the average sponge releases around 6.5 million fibers for every gram of material when it's past its prime. They didn't stop there. By analyzing sales data from Amazon in August 2023, the team projected that if these products are used and discarded at typical rates, approximately 1.55 trillion microplastic fibers could be entering the environment every single month. And that's just from one retailer. Global sales would likely multiply that number significantly. But what about the impact? Microfibers from these sponges aren't just floating harmlessly around. A 2025 study found that in freshwater ecosystems, tiny crustaceans called Daphnia magna, a crucial part of aquatic food webs, are highly vulnerable. When exposed to microfiber concentrations similar to those the sponges release, about 92% of these creatures survived at low fiber levels, but survival rates plummeted to just 52% at the highest concentrations. The fibers accumulate in their guts, obstructing their movement, causing oxidative stress, and ultimately risking starvation. This raises a striking question. Should we accept these microplastic dispersals as the price of clean homes? Or is there a better way? The scientists suggest manufacturing denser, more durable sponges that shed fewer fibers. Meanwhile, consumers looking to minimize their environmental footprint might consider switching to natural cleaning alternatives, like baking soda, vinegar, or plant-based scrubbers, which can do the job without introducing plastics into the equation. And here's a thought to ponder. How many ordinary household items could be quietly contributing to microplastic pollution without us realizing it? Would widespread adoption of eco-friendly cleaning methods make a significant difference? Feel free to share your thoughts or experiences in the comments. Are we overlooking simple, impactful solutions? Or is this just another one of those inconvenient truths about our consumer habits?